So to begin with, I will first need to prepare my data from AutoCAD and my data from Excel sheet. So definitely we would need to have my location. For instance, in my case, I have my AutoCAD map for this village, so I have my contour map. I would also have my reservoir location. If there's a reservoir close by, then I already know where is my reservoir located in this location. And my node map is not so essential, but if you do have one, this would definitely help. And my road map. Okay, and then I also need to have my Excel sheet. So if you remember from my previous course, I did prepare an Excel sheet manually for my water demand and my population forecasting, also my pipes length and materials of the pipes, as well as my junctions, water offtake from each junction. This basic information I all prepared in my Excel sheet, and I already explained how we can compute these calculations previously in my preceding course. These two main data I will use in my project. So I will need to already have these on my computer. Alright, so this is how the final layout after I prepare it will look like. So you will have the pipes, the junctions with an ID number or like specific numbers that is made by WaterGEMS. And also here is another example of a layout. This one is much more simpler. So you have here the pipes, again the junctions, the flow in each direction, and this is my reservoir in here connected. Okay, so to begin with, the main components of my water network include the tank, pipe, junction, pump, and the reservoir. The main components of the pipes that we need to know is the length, the material, and the diameter. While for the junction, the main two components is the demand and the elevation. And the main three components of the pump is the flow, elevation, and the head. And the main component of the reservoir is the elevation. Okay, so now I will open my Excel sheet and show you those characteristics that we will need